Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 3A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of help related to the assignments in PDF and handwritten form or other related queries like any other admissions, etc. etc. So if you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. So the question number 2A is rupees 5,000 rupees 1,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 10% per annum. The amount of money in the account at the end of any year can be calculated by the relation given below. Equal to where A is amount, P is principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the time duration for which the principal is invested. Find the amount at the rate of first, second, and third year. Show that the sequence of amount in the account at the end of each year forms a geometric progression. So, if you need answer of these questions, you can contact us anytime, and we provide all type of answers in your WhatsApp or in your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching.